Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're focusing on Hot Tunnel Plus, showing you how to configure various protocols to enhance your VPN usage. If you're keen on elevating your VPN experience, you're in the right spot. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more quality content. Let's get started. Start by downloading and installing Hot Tunnel Plus from your App Store to personalize your VPN interactions. After installation, launch the app to access the home screen for exploring settings. To tailor your preferences, navigate to the Connection Mode section to make a selection. Discover different protocols by expanding the options, including TCP mode, HTTP mode, TLS mode, and more. Opt for TCP mode to establish a secure connection by pasting a valid payload in the designated field. In case you prefer HTTP mode, input a valid HTTP host address for a reliable connection. For TLS mode, the top choice for security, enter a valid SNI, server name indication, host to encrypt your connection. Once you've configured your desired protocol and settings, click Start to activate the connection. Let Hot Tunnel Plus handle the rest for a smooth VPN experience. Great job! You've successfully set up all the protocols in Hot Tunnel Plus to suit your needs, ensuring a secure and customized VPN experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay safe and connected.